I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact WhatsApp account and phone number you used for the media. Next, check for a recent backup on Google Drive or iCloud. This is the only reliable source to restore deleted media. Once done, free enough device storage, aim for at least twice the backup size to prevent write errors. Make sure WhatsApp has permission to access storage and your cloud account. If not, grant permissions now so the restore can proceed without interruptions. Now uninstall WhatsApp and reinstall it. This forces the app to detect backups. When you open it, verify your phone number exactly as before. Verification ties the backup to your account. The app will detect a cloud backup and present a restore option. Tap Restore, then stay connected to Wi-Fi and a power source. During restore, WhatsApp re-downloads messages and media. This can take minutes to hours depending on size. Do not skip the media restore prompts or interrupt the internet connection. After restoration finishes, open chats and check the WhatsApp media folders in your gallery or file manager to confirm images, videos, and documents returned. If specific media is still missing, consider restoring an earlier backup. Note that this will revert messages to that backup date. If restore fails, verify you use the same phone number and cloud account, ensure stable Wi-Fi, and clear sufficient storage. Then repeat reinstall and restore. One key tip: mismatched accounts are the most common problem, so double-check that first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.